Hi, I am Georgie. Today we are going to look at the verb to be. Normal verbs only change a little bit, but to be changes a lot. That's why it is called irregular. Let me show you. I am going to give you a lot of examples, and you have to look at the verb. I am Georgie. You are a student. We are going to look at Cindy and her family. This is Cindy. This is her family. They are her parents. He is her older brother. She is her older sister. That is her dog, Rocky. These are her grandparents. That was her grandmother. That was her grandfather. They were her grandparents. Do you see how the verb changes a lot? The best thing to do if you want to know the irregular verb to be is to remember the forms. Your grammar sheet will help you. Now it's time for you to do the exercises. Have fun and good luck.